Shalamet. That's like the very gay way to say thank you in Tagalog.
Why would you say the gay way to say thank you?
Because one of the boys, we won't tell you who, but one of the boys here identifies as homosexual.
Oh.
So
Huh.
the audience,
Here in the room?
yeah,
Holy.
Okay.
like it's coming from inside the house, you
No
know.
one told me that.
Among Us. Who is it?
Did you see that meme of?
No one asked.
Yeah, there are exactly 0 people who asked. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another living room concert. I've already to 2 people this week said lunchtime concert, so that's in my head now.
Water or tea?
Tea and water, please.
Yeah, tea. I'll show
Hida is being a babe and setting some tea.
Yeah, offer one thing and you take both. You want tea or water? Tea and water, please. No.
Hida's saying that I'm too high maintenance.
Really bottom.
Anyway, really bottom, exactly. We can say that on YouTube, right? Hello, everybody. Make some noise in the chat because I want to hear y'all making noise so it doesn't feel so lonely. I'm so lonely. Joao will laugh in 30 seconds when he's doing the sound test. Anyway, so we have a load of really, really nice music today. I did 3 more arrangements today. And we had so much to rehearse that Joao forgot to do a sound check.
What?
The one that we forgot to do a sound check
Oh,
because we were busy rehearsing. Hello, Lynn. Lovely that you are there. The gin is
checked
poured,
now
and I am ready to learn some listen to some great music. We have a very, very nice program tonight.
Oh, what the hell?
What's up?
Pedro writing in Chinese.
Hey, ni hao, Pedro.
What?
Sean O'Hara, gang. Who is?
What's that
I
supposed to
feel bad that I don't know who. Is this? I think I may know who this is. Yeah. Hello, everybody. Thank you for writing. It now feels less lonely. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, give us all your puli on Pecha Af if you need any help doing that because it's still in Dutch for the time being. Let us know. Anyway, we've got some really nice songs. Pedro, we've got a lovely Portuguese one. Hello, Ben, Hida, and Joao. Hello, your team. Google translates a gift. Absolutely. I have quite a lot of conversations in Chinese, so I can speak a bit of Chinese, but I can only speak and listen to it. So, like, I can't really read it. So I have conversations with my Chinese friends. Yo, we've already had a down, like, oh, man, people suck.
What?
Yeah. Who is that?
No.
Wasn't me, that's for sure.
That's crazy. That's
A down like.
a dislike. What do you call it? A
Call
down.
it a
A downvote or a dislike? That's
Down like.
Down like. Or
Down
I forgot.
Joao's making jokes, and hey Haley, awesome that you are there. There are 2 dislikes. That's really.
That's not cool.
Well, Yot just said there are 2 dislikes. So, I swear there are
I
people.
only see the one.
I only see one as well. Maybe Yod is Yod's going through making accounts
Yeah.
to downvote it
I'm getting to the
Oh,
third
they changed
now.
it. Okay, that's cool.
from the downlike to the upvote.
Oh, but I don't know. Something.
Anyway,
weird.
so Haley is an awesome person who I know from the UK, and she is just awesome. And it was her birthday yesterday, I believe. Oh no, I didn't write down exactly when it was. It was yesterday, Haley, I think, right? So we are going to sing happy birthday.
We are going to sing.
Was that a bit German? We are going to sing happy birthday for Haley Newton.
Yeah.
What's up?
Pedro says fame has its downgrades.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you, Pedro. Obrigado.
You know,
So, boys, would you like to join me Don's the stage? Oh, do we need to do a sound
Just
test?
when you're
Sound test
when
first.
you're as successful as we
Yes,
are,
I would like.
there are bound to be haters.
Okay, so
You know?
guys, we just need to do 1 minute. Sorry, did I talk over you? You were making eye contact with me, and I was like, "Oh,
Did
we
you hear
need
what
to-
I said?
Something about haters and."
Oh, I'll just repeat it later when people are listening to me.
What a default.
What, Joao? Quick sound check.
Yes.
Loud? No. Okay. Breng me geluk, ik maak je dromen waar. Reis van Noordpool tot de evenaar. Ik verover je met huitenaar. Zo voel je wat ik voel. This isn't happy birthday for Haley, we just have to do a sound check. This is my sound check song. Yeah? Do we need to test this microphone or not? Okay, so everybody can join me singing happy birthday in English and Dutch as always for Haley.
Wait.
I need
have
to-
wait for the other.
We need to wait for Hidde and Drow. So I know Haley from dancing in the UK. She's an awesome dancer, and she set up a load of dancing in Cornwall. Well, in St. Austell, she set up a dance school there, and yeah, she's like ultimate power woman. She's awesome. There should, you know, she would be like one of those strong like female leads in a TV show.
Like
It would
Super
be
Saiyan.
awesome.
How do you say it in English?
Super Saiyan, yeah, yeah.
Super
Like who?
Saiyan.
Carrie.
Carrie. You mean Carrie?
The multiplication song for soundcheck. Yeah, so anyway, don't go anywhere because we do have a really nice program. Hidda's just making tea. But I know Haley doesn't have much time, so we need to sing this quickly.
Hey, Ricardo Batista, guess who's here?
Hey,
now we know.
Ricardo, go onto YouTube, bro,
Yes,
because it's way better there, and we'll do one of your songs to start with.
Gita.
Hey,
And
Gita.
also
Oh.
Anna Molnar and Nino Gurciani.
Lots of people.
I'm not sure how to say this.
Guys, make sure you go onto YouTube. The link is in Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah, go that way.
Go over here. I mean, you guys, that
man,
doesn't make anything
if
to
you
you.
could see this right now. Wait. Oh man, this is. I have to record this. Wait, because this is
This is prime
the wonder of
backstage material.
the technologies. No, that's not the thing. What I want to show is this. I'm gonna record, and then I'll post the video on Instagram because
Okay.
this is something else.
Obrigado.
Just can you hold the phone? I'm just going to do something very.
Okay, sorry, this isn't very exciting for people on YouTube.
Look at what's going to happen here. Go from here to there.
Let's sing Happy Birthday quickly, Wits.
Whoever don't like, as you said.
Ah, whoever don't like got rid of it. It's probably my mum trying to work out how does this thing work? Love you, mum, no offense.
Hey, don't be like
Or there might be like my nephews as well, that would be very cute.
Gita here.
No, Gita was in Bookface, so she might be here in a minute. Gita, if you have any more music,
Are we doing that?
Yeah.
We don't know what to do, so we don't have enough repertoire for
Yeah,
today.
we have like 3 songs. So
Send us all your Latvian songs.
send us all your puli. Hi, Pia.
Also, yes.
Aw, lots of love. Anyway, so everybody can join in singing Happy
Lot of
Birthday
people
for
watching.
Haley. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria.
Happy birthday, Haley. I hope you had a lovely week.
Haps
and
baps.
that you have a lovely year. Shall we start with something with the three of us?
I'm getting my tea.
You're getting your tea,
Okay.
and then we'll. Okay, so I'll start with a sad song,
Oh, okay.
and then we'll go into something a bit. Then we'll go into something even sadder. No, we have like one or two happy songs today.
Oh, today.
Oh, apparently you mistook Gita with somebody else.
No, but she's watching on Facebook.
Lies. Yeah. Gita is just ashamed
Maybe she
that
left.
she likes us so much.
Maybe she left, but she was watching.
You're very welcome, Haley.
Nasceu quatro pessoas vendo-nos no Facebook, por isso.
And I love you so. People ask me how I've lived till now. I tell them I don't know. I guess they understand how lonely life has been. But life began again the day you took my hand. And yes, I know lonely life can be. The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free. But I don't let the evening get me down. Now that you're around and you love me too. Your thoughts are just for me. You set my spirits free, and I'm happy that you do. The book of life is brief, and once a page is read, all but love is dead. ask me how I've lived till now, I tell them I don't know. And I love you so.
Can I just...
Hi Max. Hi Hida.
I would like to give Benjamin a compliment on this wonderful look at the end of the song. Can you play your final chord? Because this is the look that you gave us. Yeah, that just happened. You're welcome.
That's how I'll finish all my concerts now.
That was a good one.
Goedenavond, Arie.
Have some
Leuk
water.
dat je er bent. So, there are two very special people in the audience. There is Ricardo. What's up? Oh, Instagram messing around. I don't have my thingy.
You don't?
No, I don't. So there's Pedrozinho and there's obrigado.
You want some more? You're welcome.
So there are two songs that I arranged today that we will do now because Ricardo is here and he suggested both of them, and there's a nice Portuguese one for Pedro. So
Put mine here. Okay. I'll be drinking it in a second or so.
do y'all want to join me?
Yes. Do we have?
Rude.
Well, do I want to? Do we want anything? Is free will...
That was Flight of the Bumblebee. Okay, sorry about that.
Wait,
Joao.
now it's almost.
You can speak now. Tell them I'm very sorry.
Joao says he's very sorry that the sound went funny.
You know who we haven't seen in a while in the chat?
Mr. Airy.
Well, no, he was... Yes, he was there 2 weeks ago.
True.
Vincent Dini.
Vincent Dini, yeah, we haven't seen him in a while.
He hasn't.
Funny, he
written
does
in a
normally
while.
leave comments after
Yeah.
the.
Yeah,
That's
wonder,
true. We'll have to-
wonder where he's been.
We'll have to get in touch with him.
Yeah.
The sound is funky, okay, fixed.
Vinny D, if you're here, let us know. Or otherwise, see you next time.
It's a bit like Batman, you know?
Yeah.
You never see him and Trump in the same room.
I'm sorry for that. I hope you didn't wear headphones. Because that might have been very annoying.
Ricardo Gaggi. Jua.
Okay, this is a. Can you all hear? Sorry, we're having some sound problems. They can hear now? And this? Ah.
It was this guy
Ah, okay.
for some reason.
This is a problem of not doing a sound check.
No, but this shouldn't have even in the sound check.
Ah, okay. Very nice.
Whoa, thank you.
That just happened. Ricardo says it's a bit
Baptista. Where's he from? Italy?
He's Dutch, but he's half Italian, half Portuguese.
Ja, ja.
Klopt dat toch?
Ricardo Galli Poyares Baptista.
Baptiste.
Ricardo Galli Poyares Baptista.
Ah, the Mysterary is here. Okay. Yep.
Ik ken het niet zo goed. Ik ga mijn best doen.
Dat is
Ik
goed.
zit klaar. Nu weet ik het weer.
Sorry, boys and ladies and girls and everybody lovely out there. Please bear with.
Nou ja, als het geluid oké is.
Nou, kunnen we toch.
Okay.
We're
Yeah.
back.
Yes.
We be back. Says Joao.
Amar Polos Dois.
Zinus. Okay, so thank you for bearing with everybody. If you haven't done so, give a like, and that's already 3 times, and we've only done 1 song.
Hey, we've lost the down like.
We have lost it down. Like I'm sure it was Yod,
We guilted them into
because he
liking.
texted saying no more dislikes. So I'm sure that it was him.
Funny joke.
Yeah, 0
Yeah,
dislikes.
exactly.
Thank you, Pedro. Maybe it was Pedro as well.
Very suspicious.
Hey, there's a ruddy dislike again.
Oh, well.
Well, guys, keep playing around with it. As long as you interact with it, you know,
I mean,
it helps us
it-
out.
haters
Oh,
gonna hate.
we
you
already
know?
have 20 likes.
Choof.
No. Too many likes. It's too much pressure.
We have to
Give
keep
us
it
down
balanced.
likes.
Down likes.
YouTube can
Oh. Down votes. Give us dislikes. Down likes. Is Spanje ons neer? En dan nu.
Jan says he killed the haters.
Nice. Thanks, Jot.
Thanks, Yod. Shalamets.
Shalomets, bra.
Bra's gone.
What happened to Bra? Bra's gone.
So this was Ricardo's suggestion for a song, and then I realized Yod, dear of him, had suggested it about 5 months ago. So Yod got really offended that I did it when Ricardo asked, but not Yod. And I had lots of people. I had a lot of people in Portugal telling me I should do it as well. So this is a Portuguese song. Oh, guys, give me these downvotes. I thrive
Yeah.
from them.
Actually, downvotes are the secret to eternal life. Bring them.
We are still waiting on Jorginho.
For people watching on Facebook, go to YouTube. The song is okay. Now.
Joao, rustig aan, bro.
Go, go, go. Okay. I think I'm ready.
Okay. We're finally ready, and we've got some really, 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 really nice songs coming up. So thanks for bearing with and watching us stick around for 10 minutes. Oh, can you say that on you?
Richard around.
Richard photographs.
Thanks
There
for
are
watching
people
us.
called
Richard
me,
around.
so I think-
Yeah, the word. I mean, it depends.
No, let me tell you.
No, joke after music.
No, it's
Yeah.
not that nice one.
Let's start quickly before something happens again. Yeah.
Quickly, before we get 10 more dislikes, people give us dislikes.
There's definitely something wrong with you.
Ask my therapist. Hi, Mum. Hi, Dad. So this is for Jot and Ricardo and todos os portugueses. And I didn't learn the Portuguese before this, so my family. Se dia alguém perguntar por mim, diz que vivi para te amar. Antes de ti só existi, cansado e sem nada pra dar. Meu bem, ouve as minhas pressas, peço que regressas, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Joao just really wanted to sing.
Yeah,
It's a nice song.
we're ready for you, God.
Can I go now?
Meu bem, ouve as minhas pressas, peço que regresses, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Se o teu coração não quiser ceder, não sou ser paixão, não quiser sofrer. Sem fazer planos do que virá depois. O meu coração pode amar pelos teus. Se dia alguém
sut per paixão,
não quiser sofrer,
sem fazer planos do que virá depois.
Quando sono solo sogno all'orizzonte, mancan le parole. Sì, lo so che non c'è luce in una stanza quando manca il sole. Se non ci sei tu con me, con me. Sulle finestre mostra il tutto il mio cuore che hai acceso, chiudi dentro me la luce che hai incontrato per strada. Con te partirò, paese che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te. Adesso sì li vivrò con te. Partirò su navi per mare che io lo so, non esistono più. Con te io li vivrò. Cuando estás muy lejos, sueño un horizonte falto de palabras. Y yo sé que siempre estás ahí, ahí. Una lucha hecha para mí. Siempre te iluminas para mí, por mí, por mí, por mí. Por ti volaré. Espera que llegaré. Mi fin del trayecto eres tú. Contigo yo viviré. Por ti volaré. Por cielos y mares. Oh, that was so nice. Thank you, boys, for singing. Yes, I thought y'all would enjoy that. Yeah. What else did we have on the program for today? If you guys have any requests, let us know in the comments. Boys, let's do Dreaming in Your Face.
Dreaming in your face.
Dreaming in your face.
In your face.
In relation to your face.
In relation to what exactly?
We had French lessons together. And there was the very British girl. She was lovely. And we had this amazing French teacher who was incredibly French, who was Dutch, but incredibly French. Love you, Corey.
For real.
What was it? We were discussing a poem, and there was something. What would you call somebody's face? And was it a pallid face? Like
Right.
pallido.
The word was pal or whatever.
Yeah.
And what would girl, whose name shall not
No,
be
because
named.
they asked me first, right? And the thing is, they never believed that I could speak English. So they'd be like, "Oh, what can you say?" And I was like, "Oh, I think you can say." I don't know if it was pallid, but I was like, "Oh, I'm sure, like poetically, you can say like a face is pallid in English." And of course, nobody believed me. So they looked over at this other British girl, and then they said, "Oh, could you use the word pallid?" And she goes, "Well, I'm not sure in relation what to." And the French teacher just goes, "In relation to your face." Me, Hidde, and Vera were sat next to each other, and we lost it. Oh
Face.
man, because like she didn't say it like that,
Your
but in
face.
relation to your face, and she touched the table and she said face, and it was just the funniest thing. I was oh man, absolutely hilarious. Lucinda, don't worry, we're gonna get the
Sad times.
we're gonna sing two really nice
And you can always watch
yeah, you can
back
always watch it
again.
back. So, boys, let's do. I can't find it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't find it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What were we gonna do?
I don't know.
Your
Oh my
face.
God.
You've just been
That was the
speaking about your
the
face
whole
for
story.
For 5 minutes.
literally 10 million years.
Oh,
Literally.
Literally since the beginning of time.
Is it dreaming? What did I
Oh,
say?
did you
to them?
change it? Your face to your face?
Charles getting aggressive again.
No. Because you changed it.
Oh,
I didn't change it. That's what it was last week.
No.
was it though?
Nah,
Of course it was. I have not updated that.
Was it though?
Y'all be the worst.
I'm not.
This tea is spicy AF.
Is it?
That might be
It's not.
like the whitest thing I've ever said. Ooh, this tea is pretty spicy.
The whitest
Oh,
thing you ever
yeah.
said.
Oh my
Spicy
God.
AF.
Ooh, this tea is pretty spicy. Oh, Hidde. Oh, Hidde.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Aren't I just
let's see how
Shouldn't you
spicy.
pat yourself in the back?
the cutest boy in
Yeah.
school?
That's what your mom said, right?
Heartthrob,
It is
for
spicy
sure.
though.
It is pretty
It's
spicy.
pretty
Cinnamon.
tongue
Mm.
tingly.
Tangling.
Oh, this tea
Is anybody else drinking spicy tea?
Ooh,
Or.
what a joke.
Oh, is.
Remember that you can support us on Pecha Uff. Oh, sorry, Widzinho.
Oh.
That actually really was.
Oh, are you
Rod.
okay?
Yeah,
It didn't hurt me.
Oh, that
I was
was
just
really.
being a child.
Oh,
Oh,
woof. Oh, yo, that must have just been like on the right spot on the nerve because like now my hand's tingly.
you know it.
Ah,
Oh,
drama.
I always hit the right spot.
My mum is watching
Oh,
this.
can I not?
Hey, I'm just saying. I hit the right spot.
Uh-huh.
Right?
Can I tell
Joao
the
has a
joke now?
joke to tell.
This is a nice
And
joke.
so while Joao's telling his joke, check out Pecha Uff, and then
Yeah.
we're going to sing two really more gorgeous songs
I'll
with
just
these two lovely boys.
I'll say the joke in a very slow way so you have time enough to check Petchaf and Petchaf and wherever and donate and do all that stuff. So, what do you call a group of trans women? Can we have a?
We didn't discuss if it was okay to tell this joke.
It's okay.
I think it's okay.
It's okay. I think it's a nice joke. So, what you call a group of trans women? X-Men. It's not. I think it's not offensive.
Huh?
Come on,
No,
it's not offensive.
I don't think so.
I will ask my friends and see if they're okay
If
with it.
we certainly don't mean to offend. If we
Yeah,
have,
it's not
then
in
let
an
us know.
offensive way.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's a very good point. Let us know because we don't know
Yeah.
Yeah.
if it's offensive or not. Anyway,
Anyway, I'm telling this joke. I saw it on Reddit, and
and as
some
everyone knows,
person-
Reddit is absolutely
Reddit is a bastion of just okay,
Yeah,
everything okay.
when you're not sure about something, you go on Reddit.
check
just to
Reddit and see
Yeah.
what they have to say.
No,
about
it's just
it.
because when I looked at it, there were some trans people in the comments and said they find it very funny
Good.
no, that's
and
nice.
not offensive in any way.
Fair
so
enough.
that's why I'm telling it.
Pink gin
I
and
hope-
tonic. I also
I
want
don't
pink
offend
gin and
anything.
tonic.
Pin Jink and
Okay,
tonic.
Pink gin and tonic.
Yeah.
What are we
Okay,
doing?
Joao, who do you think was speaking about gin and tonic in the comments?
Was it Pedro?
It was not Pedro. No. Almost.
Was it Mr. Rary?
No, I don't think so.
Oh,
No.
I don't know.
Our best fan, well, one of our best fans.
No.
We don't
Oh.
have favorites.
We don't have favorites, but if we did, Lynn would be up there.
We love everyone equally.
I know it's her. I mean, whoever.
All right, bruv. I thought you.
Who else? Who else? Who else could it be? Whom else could it be?
Gustav.
Ready to hear Joao be
When it's
swooning?
Croon.
Gross. Right into the mic.
That's why the mics are personal. Have you ever been in the?
I use that mic sometimes, but whatever.
Well,
Please
not
refrain
anymore.
from coughing into the
Not
mic.
anymore. Yeah, that's
Dude,
clear.
did you ever watch how they sing with their mics?
It's like
Okay, after Joao's finished performing fellatio on the mic, we'll carry on with the.
dude.
We'll see you in an hour and a half.
What? Do you think my skills are that bad? I don't know.
I wouldn't know about your skills, so you know. Eliana, if you're in the comments.
Not for fellatio.
Eliana.
Well, we don't know.
Call Eliana.
Yeah. Can someone please call Eliana? Pedro, Manu. Você pode chamar?
Mano. Pedrinho.
Yeah, this is.
Okay, right.
Chama a Eliana.
Joao's going to be sweet and romantic.
Your face. Sorry. Your face is like a song. Your sweet eyes whisper, and I want to sing
Right, can we
along.
start again? It is really distracting.
Hey, I'm
I'm
only using
trying.
white keys.
White or
Okay.
right?
White. Wheat.
Okay.
Peter.
Thank you. Do we need to do another song and come
No.
back to the song?
I am
Shut up.
appalled at the lack of professionality here. This is so not okay.
Okay, you can leave if you want.
Oh my guys, how many more times do I need to play this introduction?
I love you, Wiz. I'm just saying the door is open. Please don't cry. Your face is like a song. Your sweet eyes whisper, and I want to sing along. Your features are in tune. Let's sing together and turn every month to June. Your face arms makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella, no longer lonely. Loving you only.
Your And when they touch me, it's a symphony divine. Your cheeks, your ears, your hair. Weave me a melody so rare.
Your face hums, makes me a happy fellow. No more singing a cappella, no longer lonely. Loving you only. Your face is like a song. Your sweet eyes whisper, and I want to sing along. Your features aren't true. Let's sing together and turn every month to June. Your face hums, makes me a happy fella. No one singing a cappella, no longer lonely. Loving you only. Your face hums, makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella, no longer lonely. Loving you only. Loving you dreaming, I must be dreaming, or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take me in your arms, though I'm wide awake, I know my dream is coming true. Though I just fall in love again, just one touch and then it happens every time, and there I go. I just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself, I fall in love with you.
moment when I look into your eyes. Oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time, and then I go. Just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. Dreaming, I must be dreaming. Or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take me in your arms, and though I'm wide awake, I know my dream is coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time, and there I go. I just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. Magic, magic, must be magic, magic. The way I hold you when the night just seems to fly when I hold you. Easy for you to take me to a star. Heaven is the moment when I look into your eyes. No, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time, and then I go. Just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. I can't help myself. I fall in love.
Steel.
Cousin Jack. This land is barren and broken, scarred like the face of the moon. Our tongue so rarely spoken, the towns all around face ruins. Will there be work in New Brunswick? Will I find gold in the cave? We're fights on our way down to Australia. How will I ever escape? Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground, that's where I'm headed for, that's where I'm bound. So look for me under the load or inside a vein, where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic and tin flow in your blood and get under your skin. I'm leaving old Cornwall behind, and I'm not coming back. So follow me down, Cousin Jack. The soil is too poor to make it. Granite and clay left no choice. Visions of heaven deceived us when John Wesley gave us a voice. Did Joseph once come to St. Michael's Mount? 2,000 years past in a dream. When you're chasing your way through the dark, lost in the heart of the sea. Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground, that's where I'm headed for, that's where I'm bound. So look for me under the lawn or inside a vein, where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic and tin flow in your blood and get under your skin. I'm leaving all Cornwall behind, and I'm not coming back. So follow me down, Cousin Jack. I dream of a bridge across the Tamar. It opens us up to the east, but the English, they live in our houses, and the Spanish, they fish in our seas. Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground, that's where I'm headed for, that's where I'm bound. So look for me under the lawn or inside a vein, where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic and tin flow in your blood.
I do it too.
Oh, that's so nice.
It's like the picture of ours.
Totes cash.
Ah, so lovely. If anyone's having any requests, that was not good grammar. Could we have that in good grammar, please?
Alsjeblieft.
No.
We had another with the three of us, right?
I think so.
So,
Hey, Vicky, Nico, Alba. That's
yeah,
nice.
Vicky's in the chat.
Oh.
Let's say hi to everybody. Hi, the mystery. Hi, Lynn.
Hi.
She's drinking pink gin and
Hi,
tonic.
hi.
That was it.
Oh.
Lucinda.
Ping, jink, and talking.
Pink chicken talking. Talking?
Pretty sure that's right, sis.
Learn English.
Uh,
Going to hell for this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Lucinda, what's wrong with the headphones? Was it me or you? Because that's why I went running to my computer, because I saw rip headphones and like, oh, is it happening again? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But no. Your bachata song? Okay.
I think it might be that one.
Oh, Lucinda said it was when you basically put your mouth in the mic.
Oh.
Sorry, Lucinda.
Mouth in the mic.
Sorry. I've spent all week correcting Yod with his prepositions, and now I can't do prepositions myself.
Literally in the mic.
Literally,
Literally.
you were inside my actual head.
Literally inside my actual head, lol.
So-
JK, unless.
There's very exciting news because this week I've been organizing all of the Christmas stuff, and y'all gonna flip because the Christmas stuff is so cool, if I say so myself. Basically, count with me. First week of December, it's the Three Musketeers doing Christmas stuff here at the piano. Lots of Christmassy arrangements, but poppy. The second week, me and Widzinho form part of an ensemble with Maita and Saskia. That was very... It's so fluid. Are you enjoying this or hating it?
Well, I have to get used to it.
There's a wall there. You would be very good at bachata. That's amazing.
Nice. Did Pedro send that?
Pedro just sent me this picture. Sorry again, Lucinda.
Well, we can just replay it.
Yeah. That's somewhere during the concert.
Can we stop you?
No, never. This is our life now.
This is our face now. Hi, Seth.
Hi.
Oh, lovely that you're joining us.
Hi, Noodly Doodle. Hi, Seth.
I can't get in touch with anybody and ask them what they want us to do. What was I just saying? Right, first week, the three of us here singing Christmas songs, really nice, cheesy ones, like Hark the herald angels sing, glory to a newborn king. So you get your nice folk pop style. Second week, me and Hida are part of a Christmas ensemble that every year does awesome music in costumes. Really fun, and we're going to pre-record, we're going to have a little concert of ours at COVID distance of 1.5 meters of each other, and we're going to have fun with that and send that out for the second week. The third week, drum roll, we have another postcard concert.
Whoa. Conditioned well.
We have another postcard concert. So we've already had 7 people say yes, and Lucinda is one of them. Trisha, who is very often in the chat, has also said yes. Who else do we have that have said yes? Sarah Lemons, she sang last time the guitar when she was stood in the water. Josie Newton, who you guys don't know yet. Bobby Blommerstein is joining. Hugh Blaines and Maggie. And I'm so
Blanners.
excited because that postcard concert is going to be absolutely awesome. And the fourth one, I still need to ask an organist. I know what I'm going to ask him, but with the three of us, with me on euphonium, with Joao on trumpet, I haven't told him that
What?
yet. And with singing, but we're actually, because the fourth Christmas is on, I can't speak English today, the fourth Friday is actually Christmas. So we're going to pre-record Midnight Mass and upload at midnight Dutch time on the Friday, on Christmas, a beautiful, lots of just traditional hymns and fun music with euphonium, trumpets. These are very good.
Wow.
These are good photos. Pedro is still sending us photos.
Oh my lord.
But so, guys, make sure that for every single week of Christmas, y'all be here watching this because these concerts are going to be absolutely awesome. Even if I say so myself, I'm super excited. And it takes so much planning. So make sure y'all are there.
Wait.
Latme is on the program, Andrew.
Wait. So when am I playing?
Trumpet.
When?
I don't know, like next month.
Do I need to buy a trumpet like in the
Yeah.
next week?
Warm
Yes.
up those lips. What?
Nothing. I thought I was going to make a joke about him reaching all the places, but that was you, right? Hitting the spot.
Yes.
That was
Oh,
it.
hitting
I
the spot,
always.
So, mentioning Hugh Blaine's, everybody. I don't talk like that.
Hi, Benjamin.
Hi, watching this. I speak like this. Everybody can join in singing Happy Birthday for Hugh.
I thought something so funny. Okay.
Parabéns a você.
Happy birthday to Hugh. Happy birthday to Hugh. Happy birthday to Hugh. Happy birthday to you. Lang zal u leven, lang zal u leven, lang zal u leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria.
Guys, go and watch the video Hugh did with
We did it,
Benjamin's
yeah, me
recording.
and Hugh
Yeah.
at the beginning of lockdown. We
That's
did
very nice.
Lead Me
Lord.
Lord. So if you guys want to watch some really nice gospel, I do my jazzy poppy stuff and
Then
and,
he over-jazzes
really
it.
over jazzes it,
Oh,
and it's
yeah.
absolutely
It's
awesome.
very cool.
Um,
I'm posting this picture on Instagram.
go for it.
You guys should go on Instagram in like
Slay.
2 minutes.
You want to join this one? Do you know it well enough?
Slacht. Nee, I don't know.
No, okay. I'm gonna sing.
What's the description? Slay.
Yeah.
Slacht. SLACHT.
Yeah, or SL8 also
Oh,
works.
SL8T. Yeah, please do that.
No,
Oh, no,
it's
just
SL8.
Yes.
SL8.
SL8. Yeah.
Or
Because 8 in Dutch is 8 and slacht.
oh yeah, slacht.
Slate?
Slate?
Pero qué es locho? ¿Qué está escrito ahí? Slocho? No entiendo, tío. Sluito? Não entendo.
Que é isso?
O que é fluido? Fluido.
If any of you understood that, I'm gonna be really, really happy.
Oh my lord, what the hell
Okay.
is going on here?
Fluido. I like it.
Is it for us?
You guys want to sit here? I mean, I'm fine for you to sit here.
Okay.
Oh no, no, I wasn't passive aggressive. No, no, it wasn't.
Enjoy your alone
Oh, that's cost me my 2 best friends. Ik ben misschien te laat geboren. Of in een land met ander licht. Ik voel me altijd wat verloren. Al toont de spiegel mijn gezicht. Ik ken de kroegen, kathedralen. Van Amsterdam tot aan Maastricht. Toch zal ik elke dag verdwalen, dat houdt de zaak in evenwicht. Laat maar. Ik zou Joan Verwit niet vergeten, want wie me lief is, blijft me lief. En waar ze wonen moest ik weten, maar ik verloor hun laatste brief. Ik zal ze heus wel weer ontmoeten, misschien vandaag of volgend jaar. Ik zal ze kussen en begroeten, het komt vanzelf weer voor elkaar. Laat me, laat me, laat me mijn eigen gang maar gaan. Laat me, laat me, ik heb het altijd zo gedaan. Ik ben gelukkig niet veranderd. Soms woon ik hier, soms leef ik daar. Ik heb mijn leven niet verkankerd. Ik heb geen bezit en geen bezwaar. Ik hou van water en van aarde. Ik hou van schamel en van duur. Er is geen sterver die ik spaarde. Ik leef gewoon van uur tot uur. Laat me, laat me, laat me mijn eigen gang maar gaan. Laat me, laat me, ik heb het altijd zo gedaan. Laat me, laat me mijn eigen gang maar gaan. Laat me, laat me, ik heb het altijd zo gedaan. Ik zal ook wel een keertje sterven. Daar kom ik echt niet onderuit. Ik laat mijn liedjes dan maar zwerven. En verder zoek je het maar uit. Voorlopig blijf ik nog jouw zanger. Je zwarte schaap, je trouwe fan. Ik blijf nog lang en liefst nog langer. En laat me blijven wie ik ben. Laat me, laat me, laat me mijn eigen gang maar gaan. Laat me, laat me, ik heb het altijd zo gedaan. requested Oasis, I believe. Neve Bray, my nephews are lacking in northern culture. Hey, Neve, are you who lives with my parents? I think that's fun. Or at least I hope so. Otherwise, Mum and Dad, make sure that you change the locks. Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you'd never been, but all the things that you've seen slowly fade away. So I start a revolution from my bed. 'Cause the brain, you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, the summertime's in blue. Stand up beside the fireplace, take that look from off your face. You ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. So Sally can't wait. She knows it's too late as we're walking on by. My soul slides away, but don't look back in anger. Heard you say, take me to the place where you go, where nobody knows if it's not a day. But please don't put your life in the hands of a rock and roll band. We'll throw it all away. Gonna start a revolution from my bed. 'Cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, 'cause summertime's in blue. Stand up beside the fireplace, take that look from off your face. You ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. So Sally can't wait. She knows it's too late as she's walking on by. My soul slides away, but don't look back in anger. I heard you say, don't look back in anger. Don't look back in anger. Don't look back in anger. I heard you say. My soul slides away, but don't look back in anger. Don't look back in anger. I heard you. Just in case Lucinda's still here. We played this, I played this, in a few of the really early concerts. And of course, the sound was really bad, so now the sound is much better. So, Lucinda, if you're still here, if not, everybody else. Dino, no, you're not. Thank you for letting me know. We have a special song to sing to you in a minute. And hey, Beth, nice that you arrived. People who are new, remember to click like. Remember to comment after the video underneath. Do all these things. Give us all your puli. Subscribe. And that's it. Yeah.
Pas une autre, t'es un homme, mon homme à moi. Je suis pas un autre, je suis ton homme à toi. Et cet amour qui voit le jour entre nos bras restera notre jusqu'au jour où tu partiras. Tu viens d'ailleurs, je suis jeudi, t'es dimanche. J'aime les fleurs, tu aimes la pluie et la nuit blanche. Je ne t'attendais plus, et tu et moi jusqu'au jour où tu partiras. Ne me demande pas comment. Ne me demande pas pourquoi. Dis-moi seulement je t'aime. Ce grand amour qui se va être les premiers, ce grand amour qui se va être le dernier, fragile aux pluies comme le cœur des sols pleureux. Pleurera où tu partiras. Ne me demande pas comment. Ne me demande pas pourquoi. Dis-moi seulement je t'aime. Mon amour, t'es pas un autre, t'es un homme, mon homme à moi. Je suis pas un autre, je suis ton homme à toi. Et cet amour qui voit le jour entre nos bras restera notre jusqu'au jour où tu partiras. Restera notre jusqu'au jour
I love that song so much. Was Lucinda in the comments? She was. Oh. Hi, Lucinda. Now my family are having a discussion in the comments. Very nice. There is a third special person. There's a third special person we need to sing to, and they are in the comments. So everybody can join me in singing happy birthday to Martineo Pound, otherwise known as Dino.
I thought it was Bethany Shepherd for a second.
Who? Which one?
Bethany Shepherd.
In the chat.
Rather than Bethany.
Chatting in the chat, you mean?
Yes.
Ah, that would be cute. Thank you, Lucinda. I'm glad that you like it. Bruvs, we have 22 people watching.
Yeah.
That's a lot. Cool. A lot of chat activity. Or
Awesome.
Chativity.
Checktivity. I think you mean checktivity.
Checktivity.
So everybody can join me singing happy birthday. I don't know what it is in Chinese. Sorry. Yeah. Like suddenly. Hola Maria. Do we have any more Portuguese stuff we can sing? We did a really big Portuguese one. I did an arrangement. You'll have to watch it back. Anyway, everybody's singing happy birthday to Dino.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leo. Happy birthday to you. Long time labor, long time labor, long time labor in the Gloria, in the Gloria, in the Gloria.
Happy birthday.
Benjamin going full Mariah Carey.
I was really. That's really.
It was Dino, right?
Dino.
What did
You said Dino or something.
Dineo.
No.
Dineo.
No.
No.
Oh, I thought it was like Dino with a tilde.
Ah, no, he's not
yeah.
Portuguese.
Dino or
Dino.
Spanish.
Oh, yeah.
Dino.
I thought you meant on
Portuguese wouldn't be
the
with
like,
it
now.
No, we're just friends.
Oh yeah, Pedro, how's that going?
No, just friends.
Oh,
We
I
are
had
just friends.
I had two of Pedro.
Lots of love, Dino. I hope you have a lovely year.
I had two of Pedro's friends, girls.
You've had two of his friends.
asking to follow me on Instagram. I don't know,
Ah.
maybe they want to meet the family or something.
Meet the family. Cosa Nostra.
Oh, we haven't done. Oh, Japanese. So this is from a really gorgeous Japanese film.
Ours as well, right?
This is from a really beautiful Studio Ghibli film called The Wind Rises, about the Second World War. Normally, they do very like magical, mystical films, and this one is surprisingly realistic. So Marta Silva.
Boa noite, pessoal.
He's here.
Tudo bem?
Hola, Marta.
Tudo bem here.
That's who I stayed with, right?
Hmm?
I always just know her like auntie of
Marta?
João, Marta Silva. I didn't know if
That's
she had a
your,
different surname.
That's the one.
Hola, Marta. Oh. So we have to do something in Portuguese after this.
Olá.
This is a really gorgeous Japanese film, and yeah, it actually, a lot of people didn't really like it, including this boy, because when we went to watch it, a lot of people were expecting this sort of like fantastical, ghostly thing, and actually it was a very real sort of
was alright.
slow account,
I fell asleep a little bit.
like this account of World War II and about planes, and it's really gorgeous.
Didn't we go with Jasper?
We did go with Jasper. Jasper Lever.
Yeah.
We have to do that every time we say
I
Jasper.
love that one.
He may be in the comments, like without.
Maybe.
Oh, he's been like in the last 2 or 3 weeks. He's always been there, at least to check on us.
Yeah, no, he's very.
We're behaving.
Yeah, making
Yeah,
sure.
like that.
And he's always disappointed.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Ah, boys. Anyway,
No,
this
not
is
again.
The Wind Also Rises, and it's just a very beautiful song. I'm not going to try to explain
Is that
it.
what it says on the score as well, Benjamin?
No, it says something else, actually. Shiroi sakamichi ga sora made tsuzuite ita yura yura kagero ga ano ko o tsutsumu daremo kizukazu tada hitori あの子は登えてく何もそれないそして舞い上がる空に憧れて空をかけてゆくあの子の命は一個雪雲高いあの窓であの子は死ぬ前も空を見ていたの今はまだかない他の人にはわからないあまりに僕は好きだとただ思うだけけれど幸せ空に憧れて空をかけてゆくあの子の命は飛行機雲空に憧れて空をかけてゆくあの子の命は飛行機That was so nice. Isn't it right? It's so nice. It's such a lovely song. What a lovely song is.
What a lovely song is this?
Oh,
Maybe in Delft.
Delft.
Yeah, Jasper studied in Delft for half a year.
Did he?
I think he was a member of the student choir there for a little while.
That's very cool. I didn't know that.
I think.
Oh, that was so nice. I really love that song. Obrigado, Maria.
Jade like.
Já dei like.
Like.
What's that? I already gave a like. Jade like.
Ah. Like. Rossignolinho.
Yeah, but how are we going to pronounce it? Rossignol. We should have a Catalan language course.
Yeah, okay. Do you want to get that together?
Yeah, I have a little
There we go.
Catalan
Do you have
language.
Do you have an app?
No, I have a recording of Victor.
Aww.
See what it
Marcel
sounds
also is also from Catalonia. You know Marcel?
Kijk aan de D's.
Oh,
en
it's
ook
also
de N
Dutch.
en de P.
Let's see, because his lady friend also did the entire
This
thing.
lady
Yeah.
friend.
I like how that.
Dino, if you have a request, let me know.
I'll show you in a second.
Oh man.
En veure despuntar el major lluminar en la nit més ditxosa, els ocellets cantant, a festejar-lo van amb sa veu melindrosa.
That's right.
Cantava el passerell, oh, que formós i vell és l'infant de Maria. I diu l'alegre tort, vençuda n'és la mort, ja neix la vida mia.
Isn't that cool?
So
Tort.
cool.
So that's
really beautiful.
Proper
Yeah.
Catalan. So that's what we should sound like.
Okay, we
Tort, tart, Jade, la 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 la.
I really like the
Rossignol.
tart.
tart. That's
Tart.
very nice.
Send it
What's
to you.
that supposed to mean?
Cake.
I
No,
don't
no
think-
idea.
I don't think
Bro,
it's cake.
what the hell?
Tart.
Torta.
I was going for it.
Check what it is. It's a Christmas song.
Oh, someone sent me something.
En veure despuntar el major lluminar en la nit més ditxosa. I can send you the text as well. I really like it. O Instagrammer.
Instagram. Oh, there's some phones.
Okay, here we go. Tart, Rossignol. Okay. Rossignol que vas a França, Rossignol. Encomana mala mar, Rossignol. D'un bel boscatge, Rossignol, d'un vol. Ancon man mala mar, Rossignol. Ja mon pare non pas gaire, Rossignol. D'un bel boscatge, Rossignol, d'un vol. Perché mama il maritata Rossignol a un pastor manda maldada Rossignol, d'un bel boscatge, Rossignol. Que em fa guarda la ramada Rossignol. He perdut l'escallada Rossinyol, d'un bel boscatge Rossinyol, d'un vol. Una kerma l'atrapada Rossinyol, Baquer torna mala cabra Rossinyol, d'un bel boscatge Rossinyol, d'un vol.
What sound does Rossignol make? So triggered.
Jeez.
What else do we have on the list?
We still have 11 minutes.
11 minutes.
11. Do you know how to say 11 in Dutch? Elf.
Yeah, I like it too.
I like it. No, I'm
Elf.
just finding interesting.
And do you know what an elf is called in Dutch?
Elf.
Elf.
Oh yeah?
No,
It's just
for
elf.
real?
Yeah, elf.
No.
No. No. Are
For
you
real?
serious?
Yeah, man. I'm totally for real.
Okay, since I worked on this today and now we have like 3 extra Portuguese people, we're gonna do Amar pelos dois.
Can I
again.
just... Your English is really broken.
My phone died.
My phone dies.
No!
Let me know my phone dies. Aha.
No, it's because Essen... Okay.
Oh, no, it's... Oh.
The face of a triggered man.
Beschermer.
Did you ever call me that again? I know how to write English. I'm sure the Larhams are very proud of you.
I remember I always made the joke. Like my parents are really annoyed that they're. Se dia alguém perguntar por mim, diz que vivi para te amar e antes de ti só existi cansado e sem nada pra dar. Meu bem, as minhas pressas, peço que regresses, que me voltas a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Meu bem, ouve as minhas preces, peço que regresses, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Se o teu coração não quiser ceder, não sei se ter paixão não quiser sofrer. Se fazer seu ter paixão, não quiser sofrer. Sem fazer planos, o que virá
Very nice Lord of the Rings music. Hey Benjamin, name one character from Lord of the Rings.
Absolutely not.
Come on, you can do it.
Mas abram as portas.
He's changing the topic.
Legolas.
Oh, that's
yes.
a good choice.
It's actually correct.
Boom! I had a crush on him when I was younger.
I thought you were going for Gandalf or something.
Oh yeah, Gandalf.
That's the one.
There's the grey, right? And then there's Gandalf the green or something. There's a bad one and a good one. And then there's elves and there's trees.
The grey and Gandalf the green.
Oops.
What?
And then there's
That's a good one.
Frodo, Sam, and Eddie or something.
Mary.
No, there's two.
Bilbo.
Frodo's the Bilbo. That's it.
What?
Who's the My Precious dude?
Gollum.
Gollum. That's it. Golem.
Gollum.
Gollum. Okay.
Gollum.
João,
Oh.
estamos a ouvir-vos
Oh.
na adega do Aval.
You've been there with me, no? Yeah.
Where? To the Adega of the
caves.
Ave.
Yeah, the caves. My grand. The Adega. Bodega.
Ah.
Bodega.
Ah.
Oh, okay.
That's so cute. Oh. Olá, família do João.
Like a cafe.
Lucinda, right? It's so nice. And it's Eurovision, so I thought you would like it.
Oh.
Oh. Pedro's girlfriend is sending
Pedro's
with hearts.
girlfriend.
Face with
Oh, that's
hearts with after a heart from Pedro.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, guys. Don't be that explicit.
Yeah.
Then it just
There are children watching. Come on.
and then they say there's nothing. I mean, come on, guys.
No, we are just friends.
Yeah, we're just friends. Till.
Everyone knows
Til.
what the til means. Tilzin.
No, dude, write that down. Write down what I'm about to say. Zambujo.
Don't.
Just
don't-
show me
don't-
so I can.
we need to sing Happy Birthday for one last person, and then we can do a final song.
No, it's just
Get out.
Everybody can sing Happy Birthday.
when
to-
you were singing now, the end. Sorry.
Okay, go
I'm
on.
sorry.
Well, no, because we can talk about this, but it's just because it's already 1 minute past 10.
Yeah.
So, happy birthday to Klaas. Because he is class, bruv.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Klaas. Happy birthday to you. Lang zal die leven, lang zal die leven, lang zal die leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de
Happy birthday, class. Is it class from where?
Klaas from the church. Yeah.
Birthday class. Very nice guy. And I miss the church services.
Same. We're going to finish with a very beautiful traditional English song.
Oh yeah, that's the one you should sing. Pick up the songs.
Zij leven hoog. Ja. I'll teach them.
Is it a mix?
First verse me, second verse a cappella bit with first verse text, and then second verse with piano. Down by the Sally Gardens, my love and I did meet. She passed the Sally Gardens with little snow white feet. She bid me take love easy as the leaves grow on the tree. But I, being young and foolish with did not agree. Down by the Sally Gardens, my love and I did meet. She passed us Sally Gardens with little snow white feet. She bid me take love easy as the leaves grow on the trees. But I, being young and foolish, with her would not agree. In a field by the river, my love and I did stand, and on my leaning shoulder she laid a snow white hand. She bid me take love easy as the grass grows on the wheels. But I was young and foolish, and now I'm full of tears. But I, being young and foolish. Thank you, boys.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for joining. I hope that you all enjoyed. As always, make sure you like. We've got a lot of likes today. Make sure that you subscribe. That's a big one. Get excited for all the Christmas ones. Make sure you donate on Pecha Af. And yeah. We're still having fun teasing Anna and Pedro. Now, obviously, lovebirds.
I think this will keep going. People like it, I think.
I like it. We're just friends. Can we sing at your wedding?
Yeah, can we sing at your wedding? That would be very cute. I want to sing at Pedro and Anna's wedding, wouldn't
me
you?
too.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, Lucinda. Love you lots, and really looking forward to what you're going to do for the postcard concert. Yeah, so I think that was everything. We're going to stay online as always because there's 22 of you watching.
How many likes do we have?
We have 26 likes and 1 down like.
Okay. Down like. We're going with that one,
That's
right?
what it is now.
Down like or this vote.
Disvote, that's also a good one.
That's what I was trying to say in the beginning.
Ah.
This vote.
Make sure that you all stay safe. Whoa. Stay safe. Don't get corona. Have a lovely week. And if you want, hang around and chat with us while we break down all of the... Emotionally while we break down full stop.
Yeah.
Oh, that Down by the Sally Gardens it just gets me every time.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm literally crying. But yeah.
Like us if you cry every time.
Like us when when you watch us later.
That's true.
Because we have let me check last week. No, last week was
Compliments
not
are
that
always
good.
welcome as well, by the way.
But the one
It's always
from
nice to hear that.
2 weeks ago.
Oh,
we had-
Pedro says we can sing in his wedding. But Pedro, is it your wedding with Anna? Because otherwise we're not interested. Sorry, brah.
Bruh.
What happened to Bra? Oh, he's already said not with Anna. Lynn, you're very welcome. Thank you for joining us.
So 2 weeks ago we had
Hope you enjoyed the pink gin and tonic. Yes, I said it correctly.
523 views, but only 24 likes. So for you who are watching later, give us your damn like right now or before. I mean, you can just hit like when you can. But now I'm saying this in the wrong time. Like, as soon as you open the video, you hit like, and that's it.
We'll say it next time.
Next
Yeah,
time we
we'll
have to
build
say
it
it
in.
like in the beginning of the video. So they watch that
Hello
bit and they're
from
like,
the past.
oh my god. Could we
Thank
do that?
you, Pia. Thank
we
you for
actually
watching.
like put a video up there? No, I don't think so. My technical skills don't allow me that.
Yeah, echt hè? Oh, dear Ricardo, he's not there anymore. I sent him a best of Grinder meme. The one about, remind me to get a physio. And it was just in a very compromising position. And I sent it to Ricardo and I was like, I need you to be my physio. And I saw him 2 days ago. I bumped into him and he was like, oh, did you need help getting your back cracked? And I was like, no. Because he was like going to do that thing where, you pick someone up like that and it clicks their back. And I was just like, what is he talking about? And we had this whole discussion and he brought it up like 4 times. And I was like, I have no idea what he's talking about. Why would I need him to be my physio? Well, why would I need my back crack? And then I got home and he was like, dude, this is the meme that you were talking about. And I was like,
Benjamin sent so many memes.
and then I was like, well, I was
Hard to keep
flirting.
track.
Like, it's not my fault Ricardo took it literally. Love you, Ricardo.
I thought
Not my fault. Ricardo
no
took
flirt.
it too.
maybe that's why he was surprised.
Maybe that's why he was surprised. That's a very good point. My mum says thanks.
Thank you.
You're welks, Judy.
You know, Welks.
Welks. You're welks, Judy. Well, that's it.
Make sure anybody who's still watching, like the Christmas ones are going to be boss. So quick reminder, first week it's us here doing Christmas shizzle. Second week it's me, Wit, and 2 female singers doing Christmas carols and fun
females.
Christmas
Strong
carols.
female women.
Third week is postcards with. It's going to be amazing. We've got such a good lineup, and the 4th is Midnight Mass. So make sure you're all there. Oh, Seth, you're still watching. Love you, little guy. Say hi to William and Alyssa for me,
Big
and I love
guy.
them as well. Big guy. He is. I forgot. How old are you and Alyssa and Seth?
11,
William?
right? Didn't he
12,
just turn
11?
or 12? He had his birthday.
He
right
did have
after
his
we were
birthday.
there.
Yeah, exactly.
Probably 12, right?
I think
Good job,
Will's
Ben.
12.
Do a good job. Ben.
I don't know. Anyway, I'm a good uncle.
Uh-huh.
Be there, you all. Ciao, Beth. Lovely that you were there.
Shall we break down?
You first. Ah. Yeah. Oh.
My emotions.
Look what you've done to my peonies.
I bought yogurt gums today. I'm going to have them when I'm home.
I bought M&Ms.
Nice.
I was like,
Sweet.
y'all texted me and was like, can you get snacks?
Mm.
And I was like, obviously, I am a snack, so I don't need to get any. But yes, I will get you M&Ms.
hey.
You're not a snack.
Kids.
You're
Your
the
whole damn meal.
yeah.
Well, it's 13. Thanks, Beth. 13, 12, and 10. That's what it should be then. I will, yeah.
See, Seth is 12. I knew it. I told
Ah.
you.
Die nada, Marta.
Who knows Seth's age? Hidde. But just say 12 forever, because then I don't have to learn anything new.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Will's 13, Seth's 12, and Alyssa.
Marta, se você
Did she have a birthday? She's 10, probably, right?
request
Tem.
tem
pedido.
pedido, envia mensagem ao João para dizer-lo. Anyway, can you tell? Ciao, Maria.
No.
Nice that you were there. Obrigado.
Oh, Andrew
Praver.
Tremor. Thanks for an enjoyable start to the long weekend.
Oh.
Suffering the blow of our return to
Can we turn this
lockdown.
off?
Ja, dat... Ja, man, het spijt me zo heel erg. In België gaat het echt niet zo chillen.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's like the highest numbers in Europe, I heard 2 days ago from one of my friends there. So,
I saw today.
remember,
I didn't
Andrew,
even
you can always go back through our concerts.
Yeah.
And if any of you have a song that you know that we did in one of the concerts, because we do set lists for most of them. If you search for it in the YouTube channel, it will come up with it. So, if suddenly on Sunday you're like, oh, I want to listen to this concert or I want to listen to this song, then you can do that. What are your plans, Andrew, for... Oh. Olá, amigos. Digam boa noite para o Teiro, mas em português estamos a assistir.
Oh. Hey, Widzinho, come here.
What's
We
up?
have to say boa noite.
yeah,
Oh, that's
boa-
my dad.
Boa noite.
That's my dad.
Who?
Ah,
Antonio,
Boa noite to
Antonio
whom?
Silva.
Oh,
olá,
wait.
amigos, digam boa noite para o
Yeah, this one is,
roteiro,
is another one.
mas em português estamos
Because
a
my dad is
assistir.
Antonio
Ah,
Manuel
assistir.
Pereira Silva and my
Ah.
brother is Antonio Manuel Silva.
So, this is
It's
your
a funny
father?
story.
Olá,
Yeah, that's my
pai
dad,
do
yeah.
João.
Okay.
Obrigado
Olá,
para
pai
ver.
do João.
Boa noite em português.
Boa noite em português. Or as you're used to me saying, boa noite.
Boa noite em português.
Eu sou Benjamin. Eu falo português assim.
Yeah. O Benjamin do Brasil.
Thank you very much.
Sounds like
We have to work in your pronunciation.
Benjamin
It's fairly
do
good, but-
Brasil.
It's quite good, but there are a few things.
I know that's
can get
because
better.
anyway, yeah. Nós devemos de falar em português. Família do João. João é muito ruim. Ruim?
No, I'm not.
Porque ele não quer falar comigo no português.
Não. Eu esqueço.
Não é justo.
Eu esqueço-me. E depois falamos sempre em inglês.
Mas é falta do João.
A partir de agora só vou falar
Hearing
português.
falta do João. I hear Marta saying it. Isso é falta do João.
Culpa.
No caso nossa, Benjamin fala tudo o tempo em português, mas com o João sempre em inglês. É falta do João.
Culpa.
Culpa do João. That's I really hear. I think culpa do João. Anyway, no, João is a lovely boy. How do you say that in Portuguese?
Oh, this would have been so nice. I downloaded the script for Love Actually because there's a scene in there where an Englishman asks a Portuguese girl to marry him, and he has learned some Portuguese, but it's very
so
bad
cute.
Portuguese.
Huh.
But now I have the English translation, so it doesn't make any sense.
What do you want to say?
Beautiful
What you wanna say?
Aurelia, I've come here with
Linda
a view
Aurelia,
to asking you to
Eu vim
marry
aqui
me.
com. With the what?
With a view to asking you to
With a
marriage
view?
me. Yeah, exactly.
view?
So that's why I
What
want
the
to have
hell?
the
Ah,
Bonita Aurelia. Let's see if I can find it and I can read it.
vim aqui com. Oh, com vista. What was it? With you or what?
To marriage, with a view to ask you to marriage.
Com vista de te pedir em casamento.
He says it a bit like that as well. That's pretty funny. Bonita Aurelia. That's annoying, man. I want to read the Portuguese. Whatever.
Did you put on the other one?
Huh?
Pedro said. Pica do Sete.
Oh, is it a song? I thought he
Yeah,
was just being
By
funny.
Zambujo.
Picado said.
What's his first name?
Jambuju.
Zambujo.
Jambuju.
Jambujo.
Jorginho.
Jambujo.
You know, my phone just does Ginho.
Yeah, I saw. Sou fã do Teiro. Tens que
Eu não falo
voltar
português.
cá, Benjamin.
Mm,
Tens que voltar cá, Benjamin.
so sweet.
Oh, António Zambujo. Oh, Jesus.
Hey, isn't like someone in your family called Antonio?
Like 50 of them.
He's the only João.
Yeah.
All of the other ones, including the
Esse
women,
é Antonio
are called Antonio.
Antonio.
Antonio 2. Antonio 3. Esse é João.
Antoninho.
Let me tell you,
Antoniote.
this probably they told you, but Maria, Herculano and Marta.
Oh,
well,
Hercules.
because Herculano is just a crazy guy, and he said he wanted a son called José. So they said, okay, so if it's a boy, it's going to be José Maria. If it's a girl, we just change it, and it's Maria José.
Yeah, Maria José. Like Mary Joseph.
Yeah.
Or Joseph Mary. José Maria. José.
Oh, that's Lynn's favorite film. Oh, Lynn, you're still there. That's nice.
Look at this.
Right? Yes.
It's such a gorgeous film.
Bonita
scene-
Aurelia. I really like it.
I always cry so much when he's holding the signs and then he's like, "To me, you are perfect." And I just thought, oh, so sad. If a guy did that in my front door,
When you were already with someone else.
oh man, Bulgarian voices.
That's him. Portuguese guy. Very good guy. And then he sings Portuguese.
Aw. Can you explain to your dad we can't sing anymore because it's gone? He wants me to sing Shuva. Tell him I'll do it next week.
Semana que vem. Não podemos fazer barulho porque já passa das 10 horas.
Sinto muito.
That's the guy.
Is this what he wants me to sing?
No, not that song, but that's the guy.
Super cool.
Andrew Lincoln. From, Love
Yeah.
Actually.
Her lifelong crush.
My lifelong crush.
Who's my lifelong crush?
Emma Watson. I had a serious crush on her when I was like.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Well,
anybody who's
also-
still watching, tell us who
Harry
your
Potter
lifelong
3
crush
came out.
was.
Man,
Yeah.
but really serious crush.
For me, it's Natalie Portman.
Oh yeah.
You're so basic. No offense. Love
Hey,
y'all. Love
Hey,
you.
hey, hey.
Oh, it's Lynn's lifelong crush as well.
Or Penelope Cruz.
Of course.
Yeah.
Hidde has a zwakte for Mediterranean ladies.
It's not even.
Is it a lie?
It's not even the whole truth. Who is your lifelong crush?
I'm trying to work out. I can't think of who my lifelong crush was. Have a
And then
lovely week, Lynn. Stay safe. Love to
You'll tell us,
Vernon.
and then we'll tell you that you're basic.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. I'm Benjamin.
No, but I mean, it's not going to be like
Chris
basic.
Pratt.
It would be like basic if I was like, oh, my lifelong crush is Hugh Grant. You know, then it would be like,
Oh,
Oh my
how
god.
dare
That's
you like him?
disgusting.
hey, Bushra, leuk dat je er bent, schatje, maar je hebt alles gemist.
I love you, marry me.
Ik love you, marry me.
Is Bushra jouw lifelong crush?
Ja, Bushra is eigenlijk mijn lifelong crush. Het spijt me nou eens, maar ja, het is een ding, hè. Dat is de vriend. I don't even know if Jod's gonna be here. Lucinda's messaging me on Facebook. That's so gorgeous. I was listening something similar, like Georgian. I told you, right? I sent it to you and I was like, oh, I'm crying.
Oh yeah.
Did you listen to it?
No.
It's so beautiful.
You sent me like I don't know. I was talking with a
Let's start breaking down.
Yeah.
David Cassidy.
David Cassidy, I don't know who that is.
Oh, I think he's from the Partridge Family, which was a very popular American TV show,
Yeah, right.
like in the 1970s or something.
Who did I have a crush on when I was a kid? I always had. Never mind.
Dreams.
I always had friends.
Yeah. So.
Oh no, I'm trying to. But the thing is, I haven't crushed on like only
Jude
one
Law.
person.
Singer, actor, composer, guitarist. Yeah, he played in the Partridge Family.
Yeah. See. My mom likes him too.
Oh,
I mean, I don't know him that way.
He died 3 years ago.
oh, I thought you meant in that way.
David Cassidy is actually my father.
I knew it.
I knew it. Nah. Hard to deny I'm my father's son. David Cassidy.
Oh, it's not really lifelong. It's just people I had crushes on when I was younger.
Yeah. Who?
Who's the
Hugh Grant.
wax on, wax off dude? Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee. I had a crush on him when I was younger.
Of course.
Of course.
Benjamin has a zwakte for Asian men.
And
Oh yeah.
Is it a lie?
no, but I'm just saying and.
Yeah, I know.
I know, but they don't need to
Yeah.
know. Bruce Lee. Yeah, I had a crush on him. I liked how like strong he was, and
Oh man, I
That
not
he
a crush,
fighted.
but I love Bruce Lee. No, not
totally
not
a
Bruce
crush.
Lee. Yeah.
Man
No,
crush.
not. He's good. That's the thing.
I had a crush on Rocky as well. My sister watched it,
Oh
and
my
I just liked fighters. I had like this thing of like strong men. Now I'm not that into that. Ron Weasley, you're the worst. I can't remember you remembered that.
Ron
Can't
Weasley.
believe I had a crush on him. I had a thing for ginger guys as well for a time.
Something else? Is there some kind of guys you didn't have a thing for?
Ron Weasley.
Blonde
was a
guys.
fave of
I've
yours as well?
never liked blonde guys. Not like I've just never been. Yeah. Anyway.
I've been told I look like Ron Weasley on multiple occasions.
I do
More
not
when I
see
was
it.
younger,
No.
maybe.
Yeah, I don't
Not so
see
much
it at all.
anymore, but the beard's
Maybe.
red.
Your wig got very red in the summer. Do you remember when we were spending all that time outside? I remember I came down in Cornwall and Hidda was just like,
Well, it's just because the light
and I was like,
was shining on it so much.
morning Hidda, you alright? He's like, my beard's so red.
Yeah, because I never see it in proper light.
Yeah.
And because
Hidda's
the
a
sun shone
vampire,
on it.
so he's always in fake light. He can never go
Super
outside.
red. I love it.
I love a ginge.
Ginge.
Boys, let's start Can y'all break down while I engage the public?
What? Sorry?
It's very convenient, isn't it? Why are we here to break stuff down? Ron Weasley.
Ron Weasley, yeah, I'd forgotten about that.
I think you like Draco Malfoy as well, right?
No.
No.
Awful.
Yeah.
You like Bad Boys. So.
I
Yeah.
like bad boys, but I don't like
Aryan
blonde.
bad boys.
Aryan bad
That's
boys.
Benjamin's
Yeah,
type.
I think he really resembles like that kind
Oh
of
my
man.
lord.
Oh.
Oh, Piers was Orlando Bloom. He is very dishy. He's a.
Yeah, was it because you saw Lord of the Rings and fell in love with Legolas?
Hey,
Or was it
Naris.
after watching a different movie?
Super liefde voor u.
Oh, he's there? Is he here?
Naris.
Who?
That's the boyfriend of Bushra.
Oh, no.
Your lifelong crush?
My lifelong crush, apparently. Ja. Sorry, Naurens. Naurens. Maar morgen gaan wij de setlist doen. Dus dan kunnen jullie morgen terugluisteren. Want ja, na 10 uur mogen wij niet spelen meer. Dus dat is een ding. Maar superleuk dat jullie er allebei bent. Heel veel liefde voor jullie.
Who would be your guy crush?
Jude Law. That's why I
Ah,
asked.
interesting.
Yeah.
Jude Law. I can't imagine you dating Jude Law.
Cannot? Why not?
No, he would be like a bit.
Specific. He's handsome, right? I think so.
Nah.
Nah? Well, I shouldn't have asked you. I think so.
Well, then you can keep it for yourself.
That's my
Keep him.
that's my mistake.
But now you can keep him for yourself because he doesn't want anything.
Yeah.
Oh, Enrique Iglesias. Yes, girl.
Who?
Bushras was Enrique Iglesias.
Sure.
I definitely, yeah, Enrique was a. He was so straight in his videos. That Ricky Martin, the guy who
Oh,
did Living La
yeah,
Vida
yeah,
Loca. I legit,
He was
that
very
really,
straight.
that really awakened something
La
me.
Vida
That video, I was just like, just take the girls out of the video, and this like, he was so sensual and sexual. It was just like, I think I was like 5 or 6 watching the video, and I was just like, I haven't felt these things before.
You know he's gay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He has like 3 kids, right? Ah, thanks, Sean. Lovely that you were there. Yeah, let me know how we know each other.
We're going off or what?
No, let's just stay on. Let's. Remember, if y'all have any requests that you want me to do as a solo or with these guys, let me know. We're gonna stay around because there's still 13 of y'all watching, and it takes us a while to break these things down. And I enjoy these little chats after the concerts. It's very gezellig. There is a dead spider on the floor. Oh my god. Oh, MG. Oh, I have new medicine. Exciting. My phone gave up halfway through.
Okay, this is the mic now.
Oh, that's the mic?
Yeah. So I can break this thing down. Your words.
No, break them down is different than breaking it.
I know.
Oh my
god.
Oh, like half.
Oh my god.
Mark.
Stop messing with me. Oh my god.
Oh, MG. It is breaking down the bathroom.
Maybe it just fell down the thing.
Oh no, why you no walk?
That's all free now.
Are we live? Are we
Yeah.
live?
Those mics are not working anymore. Look at that ass.
Twerk. Twerk a bit. I haven't practiced twerking in a while, but I could do it against. Oh, right. Remember when Helene was here? We did it against the wall.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That was my. I mean, that was my bad influence on Helene. Fair enough.
She's better now. She's better now.
Helene and I practiced a lot.
Could you imagine like you two are meeting up to like?
Yeah, that'd be
That'd be crazy, right?
That'd
Like
be so crazy.
we've never done that.
That'd be really weird.
Yo, there was a time when we had 25 people all watching at once.
Yeah.
That's nice. This is back to like
25 computers, 25 devices.
25 devices. Yeah, exactly. Which was the one we did last? My dad said it was a nice one to finish on.
Today? Your face.
Yeah.
No.
Down by the Sally Gardens. Right? That's what we did last.
Yeah.
I knew it was. Loving you only. That's really, I think, one of my new favourite songs. I had a dream where my current crush, I can't say online, Bushra knows who it is, but that he was singing it to me, and it was really like...
Do I know who this is?
Yeah.
I think so.
Begins with W.
With Zinho?
With Zinho, yeah, right. Which was...
Oh my god!
Where'd I get all that money I'm holding?
That's me! Could have told me.
Yeah, no, but so he was singing it to me in a dream, and it was very beautiful, and I woke up and I was very happy. And then I told Jordan, he got angry. No, he didn't really.
But he did really.
But he did. He actually, he cried.
He cried every time.
Yeah.
Did he actually?
No. He was really fine with it. At least, I hope.
50%. He gave the impression.
Look. Dutch nationality card. I mean, I can't see it, but so exciting. I'm very proud of being Dutch. And I'm still angry that I couldn't celebrate it properly because of the Rona.
Yeah.
I was also very sad because I couldn't celebrate my first King's Day.
Oh man, I told somebody about that yesterday.
That really sucked.
Joao, are you gonna show us your ass again? How do I see what's live? Oh, yeah,
That's
there
the
we go.
one on
Yeah.
OBS.
People would pay good money for this after show,
Oh
and y'all are getting it for free.
yeah. That's why people stick around.
To watch this. Sexiness.
Actually, it just turns into a
No.
Don't say that.
friendly time for all.
Robin Tug.
Excuse me, wit.
No.
That's such a nice song.
Yeah.
This guy, there's this guy who works with me in Bad Guys.
Which guy?
Turkish.
Oh, I thought you meant the guy who sang it.
No.
I was like,
I've seen him live.
have you?
Yeah.
Live at Five Guys?
Alright. No, bro.
He played an Ore.
He played
Oh,
him.
Vela, Velia,
No, he didn't play him. Oh, but he has a great band. And all the girls were falling in love. with
And half the guys.
And half the guys, of course. Sorry. Yeah, that was wrong on my part.
Antonio 1, Antonio 2, Antonio 3, Joao, Antonio 4.
They were falling in love with whom?
The double bass player.
Ah.
Some Spanish guy. Really good looking. And he was always looking at everyone.
Wait, who is your male crush? Since
I
you
know, I was trying to think about it.
Who's my female crush? Shakira. I love her hair.
So basic.
That is a little bit basic. Yeah,
That is
fair.
really basic.
I loved her hair.
I was trying to think.
But then I don't have a crush on her. I also want her hair.
To eat it.
Because I like... Oh, sorry. João.
I don't know.
Why
I
can
like,
you say speculação, but you can't say João?
I like.
Speculação.
I can never say his name. Keanu Reeves.
Ah,
He seems like a super
yeah,
cool
it's
guy.
cute.
Yeah.
Yo,
very-
Kate Rusby, I have a crush on her. She's adorable.
Kate Rusby.
Yeah, she's an English folk singer, but she's like, it's very. No, I just like her because she has like an aunt feel to her. You know, like she feels like.
Yes, auntie. Gentler auntie.
Oh yeah. Harder auntie. What?
Firmer auntie.
Firmer. Like the firmament.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what we were thinking.
Did other people say their crushes already? Is the chat still happening?
No, there's nothing chat-wise.
Oh,
There's 8 people still watching.
We were curious. Well, maybe next time. I do think it's fun to think about. Who was? It's like a nice icebreaker. Who was your celebrity crush? Who was your first crush?
First time meeting someone.
My first crush was
meeting your boss for the first. Going to a job interview.
an interview.
Yeah. Hello.
So who's your? No, sorry, I think we're supposed to be asking the questions. No.
No. So I'm applying for this job. I just want to know who is
Yeah.
your.
Who am I working with?
So.
Oh, that looks really terrifying.
Are you dismantling everything? And
You're gonna
then-
tell her Halloween? Yeah.
And then she said, "I am your mother."
I'm pregnant.
It's hitters.
But I am Hida.
Wait. Sorry, can we have that reaction again? Say it again.
And then he said, "I am your father."
This is not what we were.
I know, it's wrong, what? Okay. And then she said, "I am your mother."
This is also not what we were. I don't do improv. Okay.
Lord Jesus.
Tell that to the bitonal music the audience has been hearing.
Nice.
I prepared that at home.
So what did you prepare for now?
Now I prepare to clean.
I am the mother.
Tell
I'm your mama. There's something about a mum.
I said I am your mother.
Yeah, what was it?
But then he's just...
No, it was I'm pregnant.
Oh, okay. So I'll say it.
And the baby is Hida's.
Oh, that was
Oh,
it.
okay.
Of you're pregnant.
And then she said, "I am pregnant. And the baby is Hida's."
Underlighting.
I said the baby is Hida's, not Chewbacca.
But
Because
how do we tell the difference with the beard?
Yeah.
It looks like something out of the Blair Witch Project.
Oh.
Oh, P is writing, I assume.
Oh.
Could you sing a Slovenian song once? Do, 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 do. I think that was Slovenian. Sure. Let us know which one you want us to do, and if you want me to do it as a solo or as a, I can also do an arrangement of it.
Arrangement.
Oh, that was a good one.
You liked it? There's
Oh.
more.
That's
Plenty
me.
more where that came from.
Hey, 122 reproductions.
Oh.
Produções.
Oh.
So if we have 120 something reproductions, maybe in the end it's like what 300 and something with the parents.
Yeah. Ask your parents if you are allowed to see this.
Oh yeah.
This has a warning of 18.
PG-18.
Peggy 18.
Oh, it's Peggy.
No, Peggy is for games, right?
Yeah.
No, it's movies.
No, that's PG.
PG, I think.
Oh.
PG.
PG, yeah, and then Peggy 18. I just know
Yeah,
from
that's the one in
like Final
games.
Fantasy and stuff.
Peggy.
Yeah. Peggy 16. Oh, I can't wait to play Animal Crossing. You're going to be mad because I'm going to get home and I'm going to play Animal Crossing instead of hanging out with him. But it's okay because I bought him M&M's.
So you're safe. You'll live to see another day.
Exactly.
Maybe.
Been watching this new show called Blood of Zeus. It's an animated series.
Oh, I heard of it.
On Netflix.
How is it? It looked a little bit kitsch from the Schnibbly Boobly Doodle.
Why? What do you think is kitsch?
It just looked very like typical Hollywood type American.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I don't know anything about anime anyway.
Oh, man.
But it's 8 episodes, and there are some shows, anime shows that I hear are really good, but I don't want to watch because there are 900 episodes.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the thing that turns me down. Off.
Turns me down. Joao gets rejected.
No,
by
Joao,
anime.
don't watch.
Where the hell is it going? Okay. Oh, there's another one.
Wait. Okay. Go.
Thank you very much.
Pierre Renner. I think of something to let you know, and the thing you started singing is convenient. Correct? Yes, I remember you taught it to me. It's a really beautiful song.
We have to bring this mother down.
Shall we say goodbye here?
Yes.
Okay. Goodbye, everybody.
Thank you for sticking
Good
around.
night.
Bye.
Tis time.
Tis the time.
Singing a cappella. Tomorrow I get to water my plants again and use my fancy new plant spray.
Oh, that's nice.
You found one?
Yeah, the one I bought. Just you have to
okay.
twist the cap, and then it sprays this mist. Because I
All
took
around.
the cap off, but because I didn't